your fucking head.
Should you have expectations when you go to a used car dealership? Yes. Remember, all used car dealers are liars.
Very low one.
Hold on.
Oh my god.
I didn't notice F-150 wasn't well equipped.
And you may be saying to yourself,
Hold on.
what was
This
that?
customer here who had this car before this continued to drive this once the shock fell off. But once the other one actually ripped off, then he figured he would just tie it up and continue to drive it to trade it in.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You should set expectations when you buy a used car. Damn. 285,000 miles.
You gotta go over here and get this. I'm sorry, you need to get this. Go on the outside and get it.
Don't pull it off.
No, it's
This-
already falling off.
This
There's
isn't
no
our car.
pulling
This
it
isn't
off.
our car to do this to. It surprisingly runs well though.
It's twice today.
It surprisingly runs well.
Oh my god. What the fuck?
Holy
And
crap.
the worst part is I like the two-tone. I like the gray and the black combo. I really like it.
Actually,
But
and it really sucks to talk about people, but it really is. This was such a fixable vehicle. They just have the wrong mechanic, or the wrong owner who's driving the car. Such fixable. No problem fixing that rear end. No problem putting rear shocks in it. No problem fixing anything. It's really not that bad. If I bought this truck and fixed what was wrong with it, Jude, it'd probably stay on the road for another five years. Fixable. When is it time to say no? Don't let your car get in this condition. Just say no to. Just say yes when someone tells you there's something wrong with your car. There you go. Yep. It needs rear shocks. It needs it needs axle work. Yeah, go ahead, fix it. It needs 4 tires. Yeah, go ahead, fix it. And then by the time you come in the shop, there's not 80 things wrong with your car. The Toyota that was in here has pages of declined repairs, safety, exhaust, lists of repairs. His concerns today was the check engine light was on. The last time you were here, you declined repairs for the check engine light, and you're back again asking us, what can you do to get the check engine light off? Fix your effing car. Fix your car. And it has more problems today than it did in November. The problem is, whatever car he buys, he's going to do the same thing to that. Say no to the needed repairs. Yep. Today has been the bottom of the food chain.
well, it's 420.
Oh, it's the 420? That's the problem. Go buy all the weed that you can. It's 420 today, and we're dead. And we're not doing 420 here. PO 420's back out.